Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a little colorful, fun summertime look. I know summer's canceled technically. Like, I know y'all out here living your best life and you shouldn't be. Summer is canceled. Get back inside. Stop it. Okay, summer is canceled, but you know, I was feeling a little color. I'm wearing this kind of colorful dress, so yeah, something glowy, summery, and fun. So let's get started. I'm gonna go in with the Black Radiance Shine Control Primer. I'm gonna be honest, it ain't really controlling nothing. Like, it's just, I like it because it's moisturizing. That's the thing. For foundation today, I'm going to use the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Illuminous Makeup Nude Skin Feel. Oh my god, that's like a lengthy name for no reason. I still have the tag on this. I got this from Ulta for like $6.99. Love me a good sale, you know. So I'm gonna apply that with a Real Technique sponge. I really like this foundation because it's so glowy. Like, you would have thought that they had like highlighter drops in there. So let's apply that. Like, look how glowy that is, guys. I mean, seriously. Like, to highlight today, I'm going to use the NYX HD Studio Concealer. The shade that I'm going to use is extremely light, but I'm okay with that, you know. I'm totally fine with that. I'm actually using the shade Caramel. Do you say caramel or do you say caramel? My biggest problem with the NYX concealer is that the applicator is trash. Like, it takes me 10 years just to get all the product out that I want applied to my face, and I don't like that. Okay, I don't like that. I'm gonna blend this out with my beauty sponge, but before I do that, I'm going to tip this part of my beauty sponge in some foundation. Having it in foundation before I apply helps with the fact that it won't soak up so much of the product because it already has product on it. So I'm just gonna dip it in just a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in and blend that out. Y'all, that concealer sets so fast. Like, you put it down, you gotta go. I'm gonna go in and now set that with my CoverGirl Clean Professional powder in, I believe this is translucent. This concealer sets really nice in the face once you blend it out, so I'm not really like, oh, I have to use a special powder to really lock it down. Like, no, it's not like oily or anything like that. So it's a wonderful concealer, honestly, aside from the applicator. As you guys just saw, I kind of just pushed it in, so I'm not baking or anything. I like to just take a minute to really push the product in. Now, to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me in shade 40. I like to push this in, and once it's all like soaked up, then I can go in and really like buff it in. To contour, I'm going to use nothing other than the Saharan Blush Palette by Juvia's Place. Like, if you're ever wondering what I'm going to use to contour, it's that. It's that. I'm going to go ahead and use a brush with no product on it to blend where I highlighted. So I kind of want everything to kind of marry together. Usually I use a powder, but for today I'm just going to use a brush with no product. I'm gonna go ahead and step off camera to just do my brows. So I'll be right back. Meanwhile, you know what you gotta do. I go do my brows and you like, comment, and subscribe. You know, you you do the do, okay? So the brows are all done. We're gonna move on to the eyes, and for today we're going to use, it's no surprise, but a Juvia's Place palette. We're gonna use the Zulu palette. I mean, did you really expect anything else? I mean, really? I don't even feel right showing y'all the inside of my palette. It's just dirty as hell. Anyways, I'm going to start with the dark brown and work my way up. So I'll start with the dark brown, then the orange, and then a bit of the yellow. Before I quickly like continue blending and stuff, I want to go in with MAC Studio Finish in NC50 to set the brow bone. If my brow bone is not set and I apply product, it skips and then it looks weird. I think I want to deepen the outer corner just a bit, so I'm going to add a bit of black. Any black eyeshadow will do, it doesn't matter because there's no black eyeshadow in this palette, so just grab any one, it's perfectly fine. Scratch that. So I'm going to just grab my NYX Professional Highlight and Contour palette. There's a really dark brown in there that I tried to use for contour. I don't know if I was crazy about it, but either way, I'm going to use that color to deepen the outer corner. I'm now going to go ahead and cut the crease. I kind of like how this is looking so far. If I want to deepen it, I'll just go back to it. But for now, I'll cut the crease with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige. I'm just going to pop this on the lid and then use a brush to clean it up. I just didn't want to make a mess on my hand. I'm just so over it. How many times I wash my hands? Now I'm gonna go use a brush and just clean that up because it just looks crazy right now. The flatter your brush, the crispier the line will be. The flattest brush I own is actually dirty and I'm just not gonna wash it. I'm not there yet, okay? Listen, this is as crispy as it's gonna get with that brush I got, you know? It's just the best I could do. I'm going to go back into that same brown that I was using from the NYX Contour and Highlight and Contour palette. For the color on the lid, I'm going back to the Juvia's Place palette, and whatever colors I applied in my transition area, I'm just going to apply it again. Starting with the yellow in the inner corner, and then the orange in the middle, and I guess the brown towards the end. I think I want to add a bit of pink, like, so I think after the orange I might squeeze in some pink a little. Ooh, I like that. Okay, all right, we doing something. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera. So I just did the other eye. I even went ahead and did mascara and lashes. The lashes are this brand that I don't know, Pure Allure. And the mascara was the Revlon Mega Multiplier mascara. I applied that under the bottom and like really clumped that up. Now let's go ahead and do the lips. For the lips, I want a bit of color. I feel like all the tutorials I've posted before has been just like a nude lip, and I love a nude lip, so that's why. For a lip liner, I'm gonna go with the Minnesota lip liner. There's like nothing left. There's literally nothing left. But I love this stuff, so let's just finish it and throw it out. Yo, my lips feel so cracked and I don't understand. It's always like this on camera. It's so embarrassing. Whatever. This is whatever. I'm gonna go in with Wet n Wild lipstick in Cherry Picking. Yeah, Cherry Picking. I don't know how to feel because I haven't worn this color in forever. Okay. I'm feeling this. I do feel like I want to slightly darken the edges just a bit. So I'm going to go in with my Nicka K liner in Indigo. Ooh, this might be way too dark. So I think that lip liner was way too dark, so I tried my best to keep it on the outer perimeter of my lip, but I still think it's too dark. That is my current struggle right now with makeup. Not foundations, lip liner. I can't find the perfect dark brown, so then I venture towards the purples, but it's too dark. I don't know. If you guys have a favorite like brown lip liner, let me know. I know a couple, but the ones that I do know, I can't get them in China. I'm like screwed. But if you have any other favorites, go ahead and let me know down below so I can check those out, because I can't be forced to use purple when I don't want to use purple. This is not a life I should have to live. No. I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up with a bit of the foundation that I used before. I was about to say goodbye to you guys and I was just like, but wait, there's more. I'm gonna go back into the same Juvia's Place palette, and I'm gonna use the pink eyeshadow. I really love using this eyeshadow to highlight. I think it's so great. I'm gonna use my finger for the nose. Now I'm gonna finish off the look with my Mario Badescu facial spray. And that is it for today's tutorial. Go ahead and let me know down below what you guys think of the look. Are you feeling it? What you feeling about it? I had so much fun creating this. I'm getting very tropical vibes. I deserve to be on an island somewhere, but 2020 just won't let me be great, okay? They just won't. It's so annoying. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And until next time,